Welcome to Gear Shift Reviews. Today we're diving into a true legend in the sportbike world, the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa. Known for its breathtaking speed and iconic design, the Hayabusa has defined performance motorcycles for decades. The 2026 model carries forward that heritage with sharper looks, refined engineering, and modern technology that make it as thrilling as it is advanced. Let's break down what makes the new Hayabusa a force on the road. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa arrives with a sculpted and aerodynamic silhouette that stays faithful to its legacy while pushing the styling into the future. Suzuki has enhanced the bodywork with sleeker lines, integrated air ducts, and a more aggressive LED lighting signature. The stance is lower and more muscular, emphasizing both speed and stability. New color schemes and graphic options give riders a chance to personalize their machine, while subtle tweaks to ergonomics ensure the bike feels as good as it looks. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 Hayabusa is its legendary 1340cc inline-4 engine, tuned for smoother power delivery and even greater mid-range performance. While outright top speed remains breathtaking, Suzuki has refined the throttle response and gearbox for better everyday usability. Advanced ride-by-wire technology, multiple riding modes, and a 6-axis IMU support a suite of electronic assists, including cornering ABS and traction control. The chassis has been fine-tuned for stability at high speeds without sacrificing agility in corners, making it versatile for track or road. Safety and technology. Suzuki equips the 2026 Hayabusa with a modern TFT display that integrates navigation, smartphone connectivity, and performance data in a clear, rider-focused layout. Safety is elevated through advanced rider aids like launch control, engine brake control, and wheelie management systems. LED lighting improves visibility, while the updated electronics suite ensures confidence whether blasting down highways or navigating city traffic. The Hayabusa combines old-school muscle with new-school intelligence, creating a balance few bikes can match. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa stands as an evolution of a legend, blending iconic speed with the latest in design and rider-focused technology. It remains a motorcycle that stirs the soul of enthusiasts while delivering real-world usability and safety. For those chasing unmatched performance and timeless style, the new Hayabusa continues to be the ultimate statement. Stay tuned to Gear Shift Reviews for more first looks and reviews of the machines that shape the road ahead.